Your laundry might not be the first thing you think about on your decluttering journey, but let me tell you, after working with hundreds of families, I know that if you can get your laundry organized, it is an absolute game changer. So come with me and I'll show you how I make mine work. Whether you are a minimalist or a maximalist, streamlining your laundry is a great way of making your home cleaner. Because if you have a good laundry routine and a great place to do laundry, it makes everything so much easier. Now, I have a Fisher & Paykel washer and dryer combo, but that is because I don't use my dryer very much. So I hang out almost all of our clothes. We live in sunny Queensland, and so this is a great option for me. But even if you have a separate dryer, you can totally make it work. I just bought this over washing machine stand so that I could keep all of my laundry essentials. So I just keep one of everything. Now, it doesn't matter what you decide, whether you use vinegar or fabric softener, whatever your game is, or those cute little scented beads that look like they should be lollies. But this is having one of each of the things you need out and no more is going to make your whole space feel cleaner, and it also makes it so much easier to move through and get all of your washing done in one go. I don't do very much ironing these days, guys, but I do keep my iron up here, and a little while ago I actually decluttered my ironing board in favor of an ironing mat, and let me tell you, I would not go back. It's actually encouraged me to iron even more, and I can fold it up, or you can leave it out on top of your washing machine or your dryer, and I just pop it away just like that. I keep some of those cleaning products that I don't use very often, but I still need to keep things like what I use when I hire a carpet cleaner and Brasso, all of those sort of weird things that you only need like once every 6 months. I also keep some extra things for our cat down here. And if you have a lot of extra laundry products, this is a great spot to have it. My laundry also holds my linen closet, and because I'm fairly minimal with the amount of linen we have, I keep that just in this one container up here for all our spare sheets and pillowcases. But that then gives me all of this space to use as an overflow pantry. So I keep all of those excess things, snacks, pasta, rice, cans, and then I can buy things when they're on special and we can have a good stockpile to pull from. I also keep our swimmers down here. Because we live in a tropical climate, we swim so much of the year, and then just like a little miscellaneous basket for all of those things that don't really live somewhere else. So this is great for storing your toilet rolls, cat food, kitty litter, all of that stuff that's big and bulky, and you can either decant it into containers like this. So this is where I keep my washing powder, and then I just put it up into the container up there when I'm ready to use it. And so by keeping all of this really simple, easy for me to access, but out of the way of what I'm using all the time, it makes it super quick and easy for me to get in and get all that washing done. I am doing like 5 loads of laundry a day, so making sure that I can get in and out and get everything hung out and brought back in as quick as possible is ideal for me. So down the end of this broom closet end, this is where I keep our spare towels. So this is a few spare bath towels, but most of this is our spare beach and swimming towels. Again, we swim a lot, and so having some spares of these, particularly because they often come home saturated, is really important. And I just roll them so it's really quick and easy for my kids to grab without ruining everything. And then behind this is where I keep brooms and mops. I don't have a lot of those types of things, but they do just slide behind there. I know your laundry isn't exactly the most exciting place to make over, but I promise you, it is an absolute game changer. If you can make this space feel more functional, it will roll into all sorts of other areas of your home. If you would like to see how I organize any other areas of my home, I'll leave a playlist for you down below.